Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats and thanks for being here. In today's video, we'll be making this amazing yet easy lasagna. My name is Benedicta. We'll start by dicing our carrots, celery, onion, and garlic to prepare our beef sauce. Next, we'll pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan, and when it's hot enough, add the chopped vegetables. Saute this for just a couple of minutes and then add the minced beef. You can use any minced meat of your choice. Separate the minced beef to prevent it from clumping together and cook until there is almost no water in it. And then add about half cup of red wine. You can also use cooking wine for this recipe or totally skip it. Add about 2 cans of tomato puree and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some thyme, dry oregano, and black pepper. Allow it to simmer on low heat for about 2 hours, which enhances the flavor of the sauce. If you don't have time, an hour will do on medium-low heat. And our Ragu sauce is done. Next, we'll be preparing our Bechamel sauce. And for this, we'll melt about 100 grams of butter and then add 100 grams of flour to it when it's completely melted. Be sure to mix well. And add 1 liter of milk to it. Stir until the sauce thickens up considerably. And add some nutmeg powder and salt to taste. Allow to boil for just a few minutes and it's done. So we have our beef sauce, our bechamel sauce, and I'm using some Barilla lasagna sheets that does not require pre-cooking. We'll begin with layering our lasagna, and for this we'll put some of the beef sauce at the base and put some Barilla Lasagna Pasta on top. It's okay when the sheets overlap. We'll place some bechamel sauce on top, spread it out evenly, and then put some beef sauce on top and also spread it out. Sprinkle some parsley on top and then repeat the layering process. So I had about 3 layers. And for the final layer, Sprinkle some parsley on top and some cheese as well. We'll then cover this with some aluminium foil and bake in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take the cover off and allow it to bake for 5 more minutes. And our lasagna is done. There we have it. Another simple, easy and lekker recipe you can easily make at home. This right here is worth every effort. Please subscribe and turn on your notification if you've not done yet. Like, share and comment on this video. Until I come your way again, it's bye.